y'all. Hey, first off, how are you guys doing? You good? You okay? You ate? All right, just want to check in, make sure everybody is doing good. So you guys, if you don't know already, I love a dollar store. I love a Dollar Tree, a Dollar General, a Family Dollar. If it has dollar in the name, I am more than likely going to stop by and I'm gonna get something. So you guys, for a little retail therapy today, I went to the Dollar Tree. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees, one in the town that I live in and basically one down the street from the town that I live in. So you know how you live in those little small cities and it'd be like, okay, this town is Eastwick, and then you go down the street and then that it's another town and you in Westwick. I don't know if y'all understand it, y'all get the logic, but yeah, it's kind of crazy here. So the town that I live in, they have a Dollar Tree, and then the town right down the street has a Dollar Tree. So I went to 2 Dollar Trees today, y'all, and I picked up a couple of goodies. This isn't everything that I picked up. The other things that I picked up was basically a bunch of incense, and you know, it's not makeup related, y'all, so I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm just gonna show y'all the stuff that's really makeup related. So to kick it off, you guys, I got these cotton rounds, and it comes with 80 in the pack. And y'all, I normally get my cotton rounds from the dollar stores just because they be coming with a lot and it's $1. Next, I got this silicone face mask applicator, and I have one of these that I purchased from Amazon, but you can never have too many mask applicators. And then I got this under eye massager, y'all. I don't know why every time I turn on the camera to record, my nose start itching, but get it together. I got this under eye massager, y'all, and I'm not too sure if it's gonna work or if it's gonna do what it needs to do, but y'all, it was $1. I'm always trying something. Let me try. And so then they put out these Maybelline Vivid Matte by Color Sensational liquid lip colors, and so I was able to pick up 3. I got the shades Smoky Rose, Corrupt Cranberry, and Possessed Plum. Now I'm trying to move it away from my light so y'all don't get blinded by the packaging, but yeah, I'm gonna, and I kept these in the I kept everything in the original package because I was waiting to show you guys this. Next, I got a blemish extractor. Never had one, so I saw it's $1. I wanted one. And I also got a jade facial roller. They also had this Milani Stay Put 17-hour wear liquid liner, matte liner in the shade Safari, and it's basically a green. And y'all, I can't wait to try this out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but we gonna make it do what it do. And then I got 2 of these Wet n Wild Shine lip gloss bombs. I got 2 of these because on a lip like what I got on now, and I did a tutorial on this look, you guys. I will link it down below in the description box as well as put it in the card somewhere. But in a look like what I did today, you guys, just to add extra shine, I will put a clear gloss on over on top of it. And y'all, $1, I had to get 2 because why not? Then I got this cute little mirror, y'all. Y'all remember this little print? Everybody used to go crazy for this little print right here. So saw this mirror, said let me get it because y'all know without glasses or contacts I cannot see. It's kind of hard to do my makeup and not being able to see, so yeah. Then I got this Wet n Wild clear mascara. Can't see, got this Wet n Wild clear mascara. And I also got another one of the LA Colors auto eyeliners because yeah, you can never have too many eyeliners. I don't know what that little curl right there is doing. You can never have too many liners for your waterline, never. So got another one of those. And then the last, no, that's not the last. I got a hand sanitizer, y'all. Stay safe, stay alert, stay alive. I got let me pull them all out. That goes with that. This is on its own. this goes right here, and this goes right here. And y'all, you know the Everything Dollar Store has Wet n Wild brushes for $1. So I got 2 of the large eyeshadow brushes, 2 of the small eyeshadow brushes, and 2 of the crease brushes. And yes, you guys, I do have these brushes in my collection already. I probably have 2 of each brush already like this, but you know how it gets when you want to do your makeup but you don't feel like going through washing all those brushes, so you always have backups. So these are just backups for, you know, the brushes when I don't feel like washing my brushes. I have a backup, as you should, as you should. So y'all, that was just a really quick haul that I did, you guys. It was really just retail therapy because, you know, I haven't been in, you know, the most upbeat mood lately. So I decided to get out, you know, get out the house, treat myself a little bit, you know. My makeup is therapy to me, so buying more makeup, it helps brighten the mood a little bit. So you guys, this is what I bought. Again, like I always say, if you have an Everything Dollar Store in your town, your city, you know, if you're passing by one, make sure you stop, because you never know what it is that they may have. Like Milani, this was $1. If you go to like a CVS or a Walmart and they selling these, it's probably like $7.99. And then the same for these Vivid Mattes lipsticks by Maybelline. I think these are like, what, I don't want to give an incorrect price, but I know it's not $1. And then the Wet n Wild brushes for at some places are $1.99. And take that 99 cents off and get it for $1, y'all. Y'all know I'm all about a good deal. So this was just a little small miniature Dollar Tree haul, but you guys, with me telling you that this, you know, I was kind of down in the dumps, and this was a way of, you know, providing a little retail therapy for me, you guys. Something that I want to say, something that I have to say. So if you are not in the best headspace, make sure that you get out. Get out, even if it's just going outside and walking around the neighborhood. Just go outside and walk around. You know, get out of the house, because sometimes being in the house, being around those 4 walls, it can seem like it's closing in on you. If you take that time and get out of the house, y'all, it will do you a world of good. When I say a world of good, it will do you a world of good. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm back on YouTube, and take what I said into consideration. If you are having a hard time, get out the house, talk to someone. It works for me. And if you do need somebody to talk to, y'all, hit up my email or hit me up on social media. I will talk to you. I don't mind. I don't mind. Shawty, I don't mind. Okay, I can't sing, but you get what I'm talking about. You get it. All right, you guys. Bye.